Hi, my name is Shannon. I'm just popping on from Michigan. I just want to share with you my thoughts and feelings on my incredible experience with Permacrafters Zero Waste School as a student, particularly with the Conscious Cleaning 101 course, because that's like my favorite course. I have been blessed to have that course. It has changed my life, and I mean that for a lot of reasons. But one is the fact that I have Lyme's disease, so smelling chemicals in these cleaners that I have used in the past at home make me very, very sick. So to come across this course, to be able to make my own product, makes me feel great, number one, just to be able to make my own product, to know it's healthier, I can breathe well, and I don't have a problem cleaning my home. And they work, they really, really work. I was skeptical of that because I'm kind of a clean freak about being disinfecting things, but they really do work. And I've made so many products, and they've given you so many ideas, so many recipes. It's helped me think outside the box. It's opened my awareness to the topic of environmental safety and friendliness that I can't thank the girls enough, Christina and Christelle, for coming up with a masterpiece of a zero waste school. But this class is so informative. It is so user-friendly, upbeat. The music, I love the music. I love the tips and tricks on cleaning. I love the workbook. You get it in reading it, or you can get it with video. And the safety, they've gone over so much safety. They've gone above and beyond and have covered so many bases on giving you all the information you could possibly need. But I have thoroughly enjoyed making the products. I will never go back. I've learned to repurpose items. In fact, they bring your pet into it, which I love. That's important because they're part of the family. And I just want to thank you so much for putting this class together. You won't be disappointed, and happy cleaning.